Ruff.
What? You are a rabbit, you just bounce around. Only dogs say ruff.
Ruff. I am a dog.
No, you are not, you dummy, you are a rabbit. Where did you learn to say that?
My brother told me. He said I was a dog. So I have to go around barking.
Did he tell you to start barking?
No. I ate my food fast, so he said you're like a dog, so I thought if I am a dog I better start acting like one.
No, you dummy, your brother was just using a metaphor. You are not a dog, you idiot.
Do not call me dumb. I used to be a rabbit, but now I am a dog now. I am a dog, I am.
You are not.